Good day to all of you. My name is S. Navneethan, Senior Vice President in Phoenixel, a B2B company. In our website, we are uploading many training modules. Now we have uploaded a training module on basic measurement. Basic measurement is very important to shop floor personnel. In this training session, we will be covering types of measurements used in the shop floor, awareness on tolerance and fits, importance of accuracy, precision, repeatability and reproducibility, reading of various instruments, awareness on various symbols used in the drawing. This course is especially useful for new joinees who are fresh from the college, and for the experienced people in the shop floor, it can act as a refresher course. I request all of you to enroll into this program, which will be a duration of 1 hour. Thank you.